Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to our channel, A Bit of Everything. For today, we've prepared something a little different for you. In this video, you'll have the chance to see the most unbelievable animal videos that we've found on the internet so far.
This triggerfish just needed a kiss or hug. Check out this amazing avoidance of a wild boar attack in the city. Snake, named My Love, was born in Fountain Valley, California. According to the owner, they carefully bred reticulated pythons for color, and the result was the beautiful My Love and her shimmering scales. Though reticulated pythons are generally considered aggressive, this one has a reputation of being an absolute sweetheart. Move over, Australia. Only in Brazil can you see a yellow anaconda wrap up caiman. You're probably wondering if an anaconda could kill and eat its reptilian neighbor, and the answer is a resounding yes. However, it's not always easy against a toothy predator like a caiman. Green anacondas prey on a variety of animals including fish, birds, tapirs, wild pigs, capybaras, and caimans like we see in this clip. They've even been found with jaguar remains on their stomach, but jags are not considered a frequent part of the anaconda's diet. Does anyone have a better audience? Watch as a man with a box of hot dogs gets mobbed by a squad of fluffy raccoons. Usually, feeding wildlife is harmful in the long run because animals become dependent on your food source. For this awesome guy, though, we think we'll let it slide. These raccoons likely depend on human resources for survival anyways, with or without this man's generous donation of pork. In North America, we often overlook our wildlife, only encountering them when it's convenient.
Oh my God, this is crazy. This is crazy. You know, there's got to be 30 raccoons at least. I don't know where they all come from. Oh my God. Yeah, they all love me.
Frogs make a variety of sounds from the common ribbit ribbit to the more sophisticated croak, chirp, or hoot. But the sound a frog makes truly depends on a variety of factors. As a general rule, the sound a frog makes depends on the species, their intent, mating, or territorial defense.
Do you have something to say?
Baby zebra was saved by his mom from a certain death when a lioness grabbed him from the neck. Watch the baby elephant prepare for the attack. It's so adorable. This acrobatic critter is named the caracal and is known for leaping to catch birds, monkeys, and other arboreal or airborne prey. This caracal is likely in a wildlife sanctuary where it is protected from poachers and other threats, but it should be in the NFL catching touchdown passes instead.
Love to do this. Watch this. Watch this.
Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Where's the lifeguard? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Next time you cross paths with an 800-pound ungulate, we suggest that you keep your distance. This man, though unscathed in the end, was 3 feet away from getting seriously hurt or even gored to death by this elk. The hard step towards the man was a warning that if he comes any closer, it's go time. We do not want to make fun of this man, as it is possible that he had no idea that an elk could be so dangerous and simply wanted a great photo. This video is an opportunity to educate you so similar mistakes are not made in the future. Sometimes we all just need a good back scratch. Have you ever seen anything like this? Uroplatus is a genus of geckos, commonly referred to as leaf-tailed geckos or flat-tailed geckos, which are endemic to Madagascar and its coastal islands, such as Nosy Be. They are nocturnal insectivorous lizards found exclusively in primary and secondary forest. Moshe, an Asian elephant, was 7 months old when she lost her leg to a landmine on Thailand's border. With the assistance from orthopedic surgeon Dr. Jivakate, the team at the FAE decided to design and build a prosthetic leg to support Moshe throughout her life, with the first version of this leg weighing 15 kilograms and being made from a combination of plastic, sawdust, and metal. Crocodiles are ambush hunters, waiting for fish or land animals to come close, then rushing out to attack. They are carnivores, which means they only eat meat. In the wild, they feast on fish, birds, frogs, and crustaceans. They also eat live locusts. Many would have just drove by, not realizing this little guy was alive. We need more people like this. This baby deer got scared of the vehicles and decided to lay down in fear. Luckily, someone was there to check on him or her and make sure she got out of the road safe.
With that, we've come to the end of this great video. We really hope that you've enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave a comment and like the video. If you want to watch more of our amazing videos, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification button so you don't miss any coming up in the future. Or watch these 2 next videos immediately. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.